Welcome back to Ansibles, everyone. So the market very choppy leading into this Fed meeting that we had today. Again, very neutral on this meeting, but however, not exactly as bullish as we want to see. We're going to be looking to see if we can continue with momentum in the market going into tomorrow. But however, it looks like DATS has been holding up with volume throughout the day. DATS ended the day with 10 million volume, and on average, have 5 million volume. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue. What exact indicators I would be looking for to have confirmation on that momentum. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to start off by going over the 5-minute with you guys here on DATS, and then I'm going to go over the 1-hour chart so you guys can see what's going to give us that confirmation on that momentum going to tomorrow. But before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. Today, we mentioned ONTX from pre-market at $5 on the news they had, jumping up to around $6.50 on the day, over 25% on that breakout. We mentioned earnings in pre-market with WIMI, jumping up all the way to $5 on the day, having a major breakout throughout the day. And lastly, we had a continuation with ARQQ from $25, jumping up all the way to today from that halt that we had at $33, jumping up to $36 on the day on a nice 10% play today, but however, has been on a continuation for the last week. So again, if you guys want to see all the breakout alerts today, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or breakout alert again. So as you guys can see here on DATS, again, we have been continuing on up. We had that sell off in the middle of the day as the market did sell off, and then we had that spike and bounce back, looking to see if we can continue with that momentum going to tomorrow. So I'm going to back up to the 1 hour. I'm going to show you guys exactly why I do like this chart as a possible breakout. Again, DATS, in my opinion, has high expectations and has been continuing on up since we did have our IPO recently. And as you guys can see, we are bouncing above the 20-moving average, looking to see if we can continue on to bounce off this 20-moving average. As you guys can see, in the middle of the day, we did come down and we bounced exactly off this 20-moving average here on the 1 hour chart. Now, here on the 1 hour chart, as you guys can see, we were looking to see if we can cross with the 20-moving average above the 50, giving us that spike that we did have. Now, continuing on with the 20-moving average above the 50, looking to see if we can continue with this bounce going to tomorrow. In my opinion, DATS very much on the watch. Again, looking to see if we can break over that 850 mark with momentum. Again, testing that 850 mark, breaking above it, but not continuing on past it. And then we have our rejection to the upside here at about $9.13. And then we have a resistance coming up at $10 as a very strong psychological resistance. And to get that momentum and to get that push on that confirmation, we had that initial spike that we did have. We had that spike here and did not have that continuation on past that. We got rejected to the upside, and you guys can see we did consolidate from them because we did not break above our previous buy pressure point that we were looking for. And as you guys can see, we had that decrease in buy pressure, came back up again and got rejected to the upside, did not have that continuation past that 850 mark. As you guys can see, still not holding the body of the candle here on the 1 hour chart, and did come back down. As you guys can see, we do have, again, that decrease in buy pressure, not as much buy pressure as we did see when we got rejected these last couple of times, but as you guys can see, we have been increasing buy pressure slowly. We're going to be looking to see if we can continue with this buy pressure going into tomorrow. Again, if we can continue with buy pressure going into tomorrow, in my opinion, then we can break over 850 and get that confirmation on that strong push. Now, one thing I really like about this chart is that we do have that decrease in sell pressure, showing us that we could get that push and get that continuation. And also we do have the EMA lines above the MACD showing us that we could continue. And again, to set that alert, you come over the plus sign here, you click add alert here on TradingView, and you can put that alert right above your previous buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break above it, you could be texted or alerted on your desktop as soon as it does happen. And also, you guys can see we do have our alert here for $10. If it does break over $10 with momentum breaking above our previous buy pressure point at that time, in my opinion, that would be a very strong and easy, in my opinion, play to play into. And again, this is not financial advice, this is only my opinion. Again, coming up to test that 913 mark, and then we have that 850 mark that we keep getting rejected at. And then we have a $10 resistance coming up. And so the question is, what is the safest play to play here on DATS? In my opinion, as you guys can see, again, we do have the resistance at 913, $10 resistance coming up. What exactly is the best thing to do in between all of these resistances? And in my opinion, to break over $10 with that momentum and that buy pressure is what I'd be looking for. Even if we do break over 913 and we do get that confirmation on that buy pressure, I will be buying into it at that point in time. So again, not as focused on the price action, more focused on the buy pressure and the momentum here. Again, getting that decrease in buy pressure, we need to make sure we do get confirmation here on this momentum here on the MACD. If we do not get momentum and get that confirmation, we will get rejected to the upside, and the price action will not matter at that point in time. Again, we got that new high here at $9.30. You guys can see we got that rejection because we did not have that buy pressure. So DATS definitely on the watch, looking to see if we can continue on with this buy pressure here. And again, with that said, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a break alert through that again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.